From the fridge to your face, using fruit and herbs sourced right here in Jamaica, Greg Jackson has created a beautifully blended skincare line, and now Tzuriyah Naturals is not only in demand locally, but internationally. Hey!
Hi, how are you doing?
How are you doing? Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thanks, I'm happy to be here.
So talk to me, Greg. First of all, what inspired you to come up with Tzuriyah Naturals?
Well, it was really based on good health because we know that eating well and exercising is good for the body.
Yes.
But we shouldn't stop there. The products that we put on our skin has a big impact.
Very important.
Yeah, they harm the body. If they have any chemicals, they harm the body from the inside out. So I decided that I would develop a line of products that are naturally made with ingredients sourced right here in Jamaica, so that we could give people a healthy alternative.
Wonderful. So Greg, you know, I can always say, listen, I want to come up with something that's going to be healthy for the skin, but what was the process? How did you determine what would work, what wouldn't work? What are some of the things that you would include as ingredients?
Well, you know, we would have a trial period where we would go out and we would test the products, friends and families, until we developed this specific line right here that you see in front of us.
Yes.
Everything that you see right here is proven and tested. And yeah, it's really great. The tomato soap is amazing for females that wear a lot of makeup. It removes the extra grease and the dirt from the pores. The turmeric is great for persons with eczema, dry skin, psoriasis. The aloe vera, I call it the miracle soap because it just helps with everything. Sun damaged skin, dry skin, oily skin, everything. Yeah.
And of course, the garlic.
Yeah, I know a lot of people don't really like garlic because it tends to have like a harsh taste.
Yeah,
and they don't like the smell, but it's really great for severe acne.
Yeah.
Yeah, athlete's foot, it's antibacterial.
It is anti.
Yeah, and when I started this company, it was before COVID had hit. This was back in 2019. But you know, looking back now, I think it's a great business because it's soap, and we need soap to keep our hands clean and to stay safe in these times.
What I find interesting, Greg, is that a lot of the things that you're talking about are things that we've been told to eat internally.
Exactly.
Because people tell you all the time, you know, garlic, as you said, antibacterials, it helps with inflammation, a number of things. Now with COVID, people are saying, you know, guys, you need to consume more turmeric, tomato.
Most definitely.
I'm a big fan. My mother is going to flip out when she sees this because she loves to talk about tomato on the skin, and I said, Mom, that's crazy.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get her one.
She's gonna flip out when she sees that. So how did you make that transition from, listen, it's great internally, but for the skin, it's also very good?
Well, you know, we went out and we did our research, and what we came up with is that these natural ingredients, they do have a very positive effect on the skin. So once you keep using the natural products, you're going to have a way better, healthier skin than products if they had in chemicals such as parabens and sulfates and coloring. All of our soaps, they're vegan, they're handmade, so you know you're getting the best quality. Yeah,
and this is just what you brought here because I'm seeing coffee coconut.
Yes, we do have others. It's just unfortunately we were sold out because of the high Christmas demand.
Wow,
yes,
wow.
So
what's your best seller?
The turmeric. Well, it's a fight between the papaya plus and the turmeric.
Papaya plus?
Yeah, the papaya plus.
What you saying? So tell me some more. I say coffee coconut. That must smell nice. What are some of the others that you have? It sounds like it's a wide range, Greg.
Well, it's a very wide range because we also customize. We don't just stop at what we make because I do have customers that I don't...
I can say, Greg, I want a turmeric ginger soap?
Yeah, and I can develop and make it for you. For sure. We do customization. And we sell retail and we also sell wholesale. Big up to all of my wholesalers out there already.
Yeah.
And we ship internationally. So anywhere in the world you are, you can get it. You can find us on Tzuriyah. You can find us on Instagram at Tzuriyah.
Tzuriyah. Nobody can find you at Tzuriyah. You're correct. That's where they're going to find you. And there it is.
Yeah,
T, there's a T before it. And then Tzuriyah. How do you source the ingredients?
Well,
because that's also one of the things I like. It's supporting our agriculture.
Most
so how
definitely.
Do you source it?
I go to downtown Kingston Coronation Market. That's where I get most of my ingredients from, the local farmers. Yeah. I buy the turmeric, I buy the papaya, the tomatoes, all of those things, the garlic. So, you know, investing back into Jamaica.
Wow, that is so good, Greg. I'm so proud of you. So people can go on, and that's where they order on your Instagram. Are you in any stores here in Jamaica that people can just pop in and purchase?
Not at the
yet.
moment. That's the next level that we're heading to.
Well, I hope there's some stores that are watching this morning that will support it, because this is so cool. Charcoal and clay. We know what charcoal do, right? You have a phone number as well?
Yeah, that's 771-7249.
All right, guys.
You can hit me up on WhatsApp, or you can give me a direct call.
771-7249. Make sure you do that. So here we have charcoal and clay as well. Did we miss anything that's up here? No? Listen, guys, I like the range because everybody's skin is different. And everybody has different tastes and different things that they like. There's some people who, they love the charcoal. There's some who will tell you, I want the turmeric. And there's a little bit for everybody.
True.
What I also like is that it's not just about preserving the skin, because we have a habit, you know, if the skin not go bad, we're not thinking about what we're putting on the skin. Like, we have to have a breakout. Then we say, what am I going to use to take it off? But what you have are things that we can use every day.
Yes, most definitely.
To preserve it.
And we don't only have bar soaps. We make body washes, body butters, serums, toners. But we're just focusing on the bar soaps right now, which is what I brought today. But we have some other products out there also.
You got serums, nice, and toners. It's a great line, guys. Please, you know me. Tell you always support local. It's important. So give him a link up because these look great. With soft man I use the garlic. All vampire. A joke. It's a love man, guys. And listen, it's great. Make sure you support Tzuriyah. Greg, so proud of you. You know, a lot of people come up with ideas and they never really step out and come to fruition. And I'm glad that this is happening for you, and it seems to be doing very well. You get a lot of orders from overseas?
Yes, I do get quite a bit of orders from overseas. I want to increase that, though.
Absolutely.
For sure.
And your ship, so them can do that. What if where are you based? In Kingston?
Well, we're based online.
Right, no, but I mean, if I'm in Montego Bay, I can order.
Yeah, because we ship island-wide through Knutsford Express and Zip Mail, but we're based online. We don't really have any physical locations as yet, but we're working to get that sorted out.
All right, so wherever you are in Jamaica, wherever you are in the world, please give Tzuriyah some support. Local business in Jamaica, supporting local farmers and supporting the skin that you're in. Blessings, you know.
Thank you so much for having me.
Owner of Tzuriyah Naturals, Greg Jackson. Listen, seriously, my mom is going to flip out with the tomato. A closer look at the JCF's new e-ticketing system, Smart Check. When we return from the break, please stay with us.